Good morning, everybody. I'm making a taco soup for supper. And I've made it before, but I'm trying something new. And I'm wearing my apron my granddaughter sent me from Mexico that was made for me. And this here I'm getting out of the Mexican Made Easy Cookbook. And all the directions will be down below in the description box. And I'm gonna put it up here in case you want to take a still. So I'm going to hold it for just a few minutes, okay? There you go. It's 66 degrees in Maine and sunny today. Okay, as we're moving right along, I got to move this up because I'm still having trouble seeing here. Okay, what I did is you need a pound of Hamburg meat and you need a medium onion or an onion. It says 1 cup of onion, but Ray's not real keen on onions, and if I can just get them in, that's a good thing. This is a little warm. I didn't want to bore you because everybody knows how to do scrambled Hamburg and onion. And what you're going to need is Hamburg, onion, beef broth, black beans, diced tomatoes with the juice, pinto beans, and kernel corn, tomato sauce, green chili, and an envelope of taco seasoning. And like I said, everything will be in the description box down below. So let me pan you down so you can see what I'm doing. Let's see if this will work here. Perfect, I think that's good right there. Perfect. So you see the hamburger meat and onions. I've got the door open so Maggie can go as she pleases. It says heat and cook in oil in a Dutch oven or medium, whatever you're going to cook it in. I've got mine in this. Then you want to blend the beef and the onion, which I've already done, scrambled right here, till you no longer see the pink, and soften the onions, which I did. Oops, if I can just move this a little closer so you can see, just like that. And this is add the remaining 8 ingredients, and you want to bring it to a boil, reduce the heat to medium-low, simmer, cover for 20 minutes, and blend flavors. It makes about 13 cups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all together, and this is the good thing. You can put it in the refrigerator, take it back out, so when it's time for dinner, all you got to do is heat it up. Now, I don't know what time Mr. R is coming home. I never do. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the ingredients in. And we're going to start with the beef broth. And it says 6 cups, but I'm just using 1 carton here. Not measuring. Just going to use what's in here. Use what I got. I probably should have measured it, but you know, Maniac Grammy, she does everything with a twist. And if it looks like it needs more liquid, hey, we'll just add a little more liquid to it. I don't think we'll have to though. And then it says a can of black beans, drained and rinsed. A can of black beans. I don't worry about rinsing them. We're just gonna put them in here. Just like that. I'm gonna move this over just a little bit. I ain't had anything kill me yet, but if you want to rinse yours as you go, go for it. You got to get everything you can with the cost of the prices of the food today. It's absolutely horrible. But hey, we got to eat, right? This will take us more than 1 meal. Okay, this is black beans. Just like that. And you can see all the stuff. I'm going to put it like this. See all the stuff that came out of it after I drained it? Okay. That's, to me, that's the goodness, but I'm going according to the recipe. And then it says a can of diced tomatoes. And all I had was tomatoes with celery and onions, but I wasn't going to run to the store, so that's what I'm going to use. It says a can of diced tomatoes with the juice, so this is all going in. I can't see you running to the store just because you don't have one ingredient. You got it, but it's mixed with something else. Just adds a little bit more flavor. Like I said, I'll put everything in the description box below. I'll move everything over so you can get a better picture here. Okay, as we move right along here, we got the pinto beans, we got the tomatoes, we got the canned corn. It says drain that. You want whole kernel corn. Whole kernel corn. Right there, whole kernel corn. And then you want a can of pinto beans. Rinse those. Oh, these look really good. These look really, really good. These may be, questionable on a rinse on these. I think I'll just walk over and rinse. Bear with me. I think I'll rinse those just because they look a little thick. There, my sink's real close. That's a good thing. They just look like they're almost into a refried form. Okay, and there's the beans. And now, let's see, we got the corn. We got the green chili. You want 4 ounces of green chili. And you want some tomato sauce, but 7 ounces, and all I had was 15, so I'm only gonna do a half a can. And I will use the rest somewhere else. And just the season mix. How easy is this to put together for a dinner? And I had everything in the pantry or the freezer. Didn't have to go out and buy anything. That's a good thing of if you're able to stock up and put back. Just gonna mix it up like that. I got the door open, I hear the birds out there singing this morning. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? So, what it says to do is you put all the 8 ingredients in, bring it to a boil, heat it to a medium low, let it simmer, cover for 20 minutes, let the blends work, and it says it can serve 13 cups. So there you have it, right there. So, I'll bring you back. I may have some for lunch or I may just have it for supper, but I'll bring you back. Hi there, I'm back. And I want you to know that I'm using the taco soup out of this recipe book, The Mexican Made Easy. Yes, that's right. And it's a great cookbook and it's easy for all to understand. And I'm also going to insert down in the description the recipe if you'd like to make it. Now, unfortunately, I got to grab a napkin here, paper towel. Unfortunately, it's the next day. We didn't eat the taco soup, so I'm having it for lunch. Miss Dory didn't get home till really late, so excuse me, I've been wrestling with Maggie May. We've been having a great old time. So here's the soup right here. Doesn't it look wonderful? It really is. And I'm going to try it for you. It's probably wicked hot. Hot, but it's got a great flavor. Oh my goodness, it's really got a good flavor. I think maybe sitting overnight made it even flavorful. Very, very good. Black beans and pinto beans and corn and tomatoes and onions and oh, it's just so, so good. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to share out my videos, I'd greatly appreciate it. You never know what's going to be on my videos. I'll be doing some more cooking videos, a little bit more of everything. Like I said, you never know. This is made with everything that was put back in the pantry. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Be good, be safe, be kind. Bye now.